baby cow.
I don't think there's any more animals. I just bought 4.
Oh, can you say thank you? And that's the horse. Hey, can you say thank you to Grandma? Say thank you, Grandma.
Can she get a hug?
You like your cows?
I like the
You're right. I said the same thing when I saw them.
Oh, taking it back. Put it back in.
I think he likes that. I'm surprised. Did he say what he did? He put the cow back in and took it all like he was surprised. Was like a sheep.
You sweet baby. I've never known a child to love farm animals so much. You want to put them all back in?
Put him in now. Take him out.
Mm-hmm.
This is the most exciting thing. Well done.
They were at the farm store too.
Were they really?
Oh.
Do you like your animals? You like your cow book?
I think we might have to visit this farm store.
There's something else in there, but it's probably not exciting.
What did he say?
He's a boy.
Do you feel anything else in there?
What's that? What else is in there? What else is in there?
It's not an animal, so it's not important.
Doesn't count.
What does the pig say?
cow.
There's never been a better book.
Know your cows.
Well, you know what you're going to be reading for the next
Yeah, I know.
year.
Which is the cow?
I like the horse.